Hello students, welcome to the lecture. We will see some basic concepts related to the trigonometry. Trigonometry, it is a branch of mathematics. It finds its application in science, engineering. Wherever you see mathematics or wherever you see science, trigonometry is one of the crucial part in solving complex problems. What is trigonometry? So in simple words, we can say that trigonometry, right, it relates sides of triangle. It is a science which relates the sides of triangle. The three sides of triangle can be connected using a trigonometry. For the basic level, triangle is a right angle triangle. We'll consider a right angle triangle, right? This type. Right angle triangle means one of the angle is 90 degree, right, and we have other two acute angles. Acute angles means lesser than 90 degree, right? If we name this triangle ABC, this is theta 1 and this is theta 2, right? So two angles, maybe isosceles triangle, right, or maybe a equilateral triangle, that doesn't make any difference. So that is the first thing about the trigonometry. Then its discovery or its origin. So its origin, it lies in the ancient Indian science, right? In ancient Indian science, this word was called as trigonometry. Trigonometry, this again means relating the sides of triangle. So ultimately the trigonometry means relating the sides of triangle, right? So let us see now the basic quantities which are there in the trigonometries. So trigonometry, it starts with three basic quantities, right? Three, or we can say that basic trigonometrical quantities. So what are the basic trigonometrical quantities? So there are three quantities. The first one is sine theta, cosine theta, right, and the tangent of theta. In short, we write down as sin, sine theta. This one we write down as in short cos theta, and tangent we write down as tan theta. How will you find out the value of sine of theta? Now let us take a reference triangle. I take this reference triangle in which this angle I take it as theta, right, and this angle is 90 degree. So for this triangle, you must remember that the side which is opposite to theta, the side which is opposite to theta, it is called as opposite, or it is also called as perpendicular. Better you call it as perpendicular, right, and it's symbolically denoted by the P. The side which contains 90 degree and theta, this is called as base, and it is denoted by the B, right, or it is also called as adjacent. And this side, right, it is called as, which is exactly opposite to that of 90 degree, it is called as hypotenuse, denoted by H. So ultimately three sides of a triangle which has a 190 degree, right? So one side is perpendicular, other one is base, and the hypotenuse. Here the most important thing is theta. Based on the theta, we decide whether the side is perpendicular or base. Exactly opposite to the theta is perpendicular, and the side which contains theta and 90 degree, it is base. In case if theta is this, right, in case theta is this, then this will become the perpendicular, right, that is nothing but P. This will be the base and this will be the hypotenuse. So based on the position of the theta, we identify which is perpendicular, which is base, right? So we'll consider this triangle for simplicity, and according to this triangle, what will be the value of sine theta? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. These are the formulas to calculate sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Most basic formulas, right? let us see in the other way, right? That was that. Once again we understand the same thing with the help of this triangle ABC. So with reference to this triangle ABC, what is the value of sine theta? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the value of perpendicular? AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Similarly, if we take cos theta, it is base upon hypotenuse, right? What is the base? It is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. And tan theta, it is also written as sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is nothing but division of sine upon cos. So if you divide and see, we get a formula perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB, right? And the base is BC. So with reference to this triangle, these are the formulas for sine theta, cos theta and base. So these are the basic trigonometrical quantities that we have, 3 trigonometrical quantities. Then the next set of trigonometrical quantities we have, that is reciprocal relation. We can name it as reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relation means that is reverse of sine, reverse of cosine, reverse of tan, what it is called as. So let us note down cosec theta, right? Full name it is cosecant theta. In short we write down as cosec theta, and cosec theta is nothing but reverse of sine theta. Reverse of sine theta, so formula will also become reverse, right? It will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Similarly we have secant theta. In short form it is written as sec theta. It is reverse of cos theta. Formula will also be reverse h upon b, right? Cos theta is b upon h, so sec theta will be h upon b. Then we have cotangent theta. Cotangent theta, it is nothing but cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Formula will also be reciprocal b by p. So these are the reverse relationship. Instead of h you can also write down the value of hypotenuse. Again we study with reference to this same triangle. So with reference to this same triangle, if we write down its values, what will be the hypotenuse? AC. Perpendicular is AB, correct? Hypotenuse is AC and the base is BC, and again here base is BC, right? And perpendicular is AB. So in the terms of sides or in the terms of short notations, this is a reciprocal relationship. Then we have a square relation. Square relation. What is a square relation? We have a 3 square relationship. First is sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1. How we got this? It's very simple to prove. We'll see in the numericals. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Then we have cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1, right? Now let us try to prove this square relationship and understand how exactly the science of trigonometry works. So let us take a question to understand how trigonometrical science works. So if we take a question, we have been given a triangle. This is the angle theta, this is 90 degree, right? The values of the sides are 4, 3 and 5. So here exactly opposite to the theta, that is perpendicular, theta and 90 degree, this is base and this is our hypotenuse. So based on this data, let us calculate the value of sin theta. Sin theta is formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, you must remember, right? So perpendicular is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Since we got sin theta, we will easily get cosec theta. Cosec theta is just reverse of sin theta. So the value of cosec theta will be 5 by 4, correct? Then next we find out cos theta, that is base upon hypotenuse. Value of base is 3, hypotenuse is 5, right? Since we have got cos theta, we can easily get sec theta, because sec theta is nothing but reverse of cos theta. So the value will be 5 by 3. Similarly, we can find out tan theta. Tan theta formula is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 4, right? Formula for the tan theta, perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 4, base is 3. Since we got tan theta, we will easily get cot theta, because cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta will be 3 by 4. We can also prove the square relations from this triangle. Let us try to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. We'll consider the same triangle, right? So taking LHS, what is the value of sin theta? 4 upon 5 square. Then what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is 3 upon 5 square. Let us simplify. 16 upon 25 plus 9 upon 25, that is 25 upon 25, that is equals to 1, equal to RHS. Hence proved. Let us take the second relation. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Let us start again, right? What is the value? Let us take left hand side. What is the value of sec theta? Sec theta is 5 by 3 square minus tan theta. The value of tan theta is 4 by 3 square, correct? So if we start with, this is 25 by 9 minus 16 by 9, that is nothing but 9 upon 9 is 1, equal to RHS. Hence proved. Let us try to prove the third relation, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Again taking left hand side, what is the value of cosec theta? 5 by 4 square. What is the value of cot theta? 3 by 4 square is there, so we square. So this will be again 25 by 16 minus 9 by 16. So this may give me 16 upon 16, again that is 1, equal to RHS. Hence proved. So trigonometry is so simple. In the next lecture, we will be seeing more detailed and more complicated questions based on this trigonometry. If you have liked our channel Learning Teaching, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.